gentlemen. Sorry guys, our power just went out. It was awesome. Huh? What?
The next rain now?
If you insist, as long as I can fucking record this shit. See that? Yeah, that's the tongue. Yeah, buddy. She just asked me to dance out in the damn rain. She got me fucked up. It's bad enough my legs are getting wet. Look at that.
We got a hurricane coming.
We don't get hurricanes. We are too far up north.
We get tropical storms though.
Yes, we do. Damn, look how crazy that shit is. You hear that rumble? That, my dear, would be the lightning. Golly. Look at it. It's pouring. Ooh, I'm getting wet again. Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for cooling us down and getting us wet. Oosh!